Hello, third grade scholars. This is Miss Scarville, and welcome to Quarter 2, Writing. This quarter, we will be looking at informational writing. During Quarter 1, we had the opportunity to learn about personal narrative writing, and if you did not have the opportunity to complete your personal narrative writing, we will also focus on our personal writing this marking period. But today, I would like to introduce to you informational writing. Our learning goals for this lesson: scholars will write informative, explanatory text to examine a topic and convey ideas and information clearly. Scholars will be able to introduce a topic and group related information together. The goal of this writing genre, scholars, is to write a paper with multiple paragraphs, similar to what you are doing with your personal narrative. Your paper will tell what we know about nonfiction topics based upon research or our own personal experiences. What is informational writing? We know that informational writing will teach the reader about a specific topic. Let's take a look at this video. It is on informational writing, episode 1. What is it?
Informational writing, episode 1. What is it? Informational texts tell facts. Facts are always true. Authors write informational books to teach other people facts about a topic. These books are fiction. They are made-up stories. They are not informational. These books are nonfiction. They are informational because they teach facts about a topic. Informational texts often have special text features like a table of contents, headings, and a glossary. Check out episode 2 to learn how you can choose a topic for your own informational book.
So, choosing a topic, how do we generate ideas? What do we write about? How do I come up with a list of topics to write about? I need you to think about how can we create lively, engaging pieces of informational writing. You need to think about how can your writing teach others about topics on which you are an expert. How do we research, find materials, read, and highlight the most important information while we are looking up our topic? So, in order to begin thinking about our informational writing topics, you can use a T-chart to create a list of topics you know a lot about because you are the expert. On this T-chart, you will also make a list of facts that you can teach your readers about those topics. So if I'm an expert, it says writers of informational text choose topics they know a lot about, care about, and could teach others. So if you look at the list, you can see that this reader choose many topics because they know a lot about those particular topics. They know a lot about baseball, or origamis, goldfish, knitting, swimming, gardening, dinosaur, party planning, and hamsters. Those are just some topics this reader is an expert on. Let's look at how to choose our topic for our informational writing piece.
How do you choose a writing topic for an informational text? In this lesson, you will learn how to choose a writing topic for an informational text by asking questions about your interests. Let's review. An informational text gives facts about a nonfiction topic. So let's go ahead and take a look at some nonfiction topics. Flowers, birds, people, and trees. These are all real topics or nonfiction. Also, we want to make sure that we review the writing process. There are 3 steps: generate ideas, write drafts, and revise and edit. We're in the first stage, the generate ideas stage, because we are choosing our topic. A common mistake when choosing an informational text topic is not checking if it's nonfiction or not. You need to ask yourself, does it have factual resources? So let's take a look at some topics. Unicorns, zombies, and aliens. Although these are really interesting topics, they're not factual, so they're not going to have resources that will help you when writing an informational text. Let's get started. First, you're going to make a list of the topics that you would like writing about. Then, you're going to ask, which topics are really interesting, or what do I want to know more about? And last, you're going to pick the choice that you are most excited about. When we make a list of the topics that you would like writing about, you want to think about your interests. So I'm going to make a list of topics I like. I like animals, that's one of my interests. Also baseball and airplanes. Then I want to ask, what do I want to know more about? So let's review our topics that I like: animals, baseball, and airplanes. And I can think about going in depth on each of these topics to find out what I want to know more about. So for animals, I can think about how animals survive. For baseball, I can research the lives of famous players. And for airplanes, I can wonder how airplanes stay up in the sky. Lastly, you're going to pick the choice that you are most excited about. So here are the topics I like: animals, baseball, and airplanes. And I think I'm going to choose animals as my topic because I really liked the idea of going into detail about how they survive. So we made a list of topics that we would like writing about. We asked, which topics are really interesting, or what do I want to know more about? And then we picked the choice that we were the most excited about. In this lesson, you learned how to choose a writing topic for an informational text by asking questions about your interests. How do you choose a writing topic for an informational text?
So, scholars, how do you choose a topic for your informational writing text? So, your job is to brainstorm. You are going to become an expert that will make a list of 8, maybe 5 to 8 topics you would like to write about. You will submit your expert list on Canvas on the Google form. So let's get started. We are expert. You know what to write about. Have a great day, scholars.